Pembroke Public Library now offers a very exciting Library of Thanks items to its patrons, the Food Dehydrator. Dehydrators dry out fruits, vegetables, and more to extend the shelf life from months to even years. It's a simple process. Place your food item on the tray. Plug in the machine. Press the power button to turn it on. Then press the time over temp button and use the dial to adjust the temperature. Press the time over temp button once more to adjust the time, then press the power button to begin the process. The dehydrator will beep when it is finished. So now that we know how to dehydrate our foods, what other things can we do with the dehydrator? Here are a couple of examples of recipes that you can make with this dehydrator. With potatoes, carrots, and green bell peppers, you can make instant soup in a jar. With herbs and citrus, you can make homemade tea. You can dry out apples for a tasty snack. Or you can use your dried goods to make a gorgeous centerpiece for your dining table. What will you make with our dehydrator? Come check it out from the Pembroke Public Library today.